Hi guys, how are you? Now I will show you how to make this type of design in using Canva. So let's start it. We go Canva browser and select 16:9 ratio. Then we go element. Then we select spawn. I select a spawn. Okay, I think this spawn is very good for us. And I flip this spawn. Okay. Then we need a egg frame. Egg frame. Yeah. Then I log this design. Then I position background. I think this saved. Then I need to delete this picture background. Then finally I'll done. Okay. Then you can design anything, no problem. I design again. I make a design. Then I'll go element. Then go here. Okay, you can design smoothly. Okay, no problem. You can use this type of design. Then rotate this. Then go here. Then a small this. Done my work. So bye bye, tata. See you again. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you.